Jaime Avenue. As you can see, it's been dug up. There's going to be an underground car park. Got the Golden Hotel there. Bit of a pain if you're one side and you want to get to the other side. Quite a few outlet shops along here as well. If you like your shopping and like your bargains. The alley outlet shop. Let me know if you're enjoying the videos, guys. Is there anything else that you would like me to go and film? Let me know. Drop a comment below. Lots of cheap clothes shops along here.